Hello, my name is Nawasa Jonathan, and today I want to take you through on how best you can import your video from Facebook, from YouTube, and then put it on our website, tabbytalks.com. Let's go. So first of all, you're going to come. Let me share my screen. We're going to come like this, and then after that, okay. So here we go. What you're going to do, you just come to our website. This is our website, and then after seeing the website, you just come to create. Hope you can see where my mouse is. You can zoom in, I can zoom in, I can zoom in, I can zoom in. You can come to create, and then once you click create, you'll be able to see where we have imports. So how do we import? Just click on import, and as soon as you click on import, just give it a second to load, and then you'll be able to see this surface. So what you're going to do, just come to, I want to import a video on YouTube. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come to the YouTube channel, and then you can search any video you want to import. Yeah, so maybe I'm going to import this video. So inside, click on this video. Click on this video. You just come here. Just want you to see very well. You come here, and then stay it at this. You can see this. You copy this link, or we have another option. You can and just maybe you say share, and you click on share. Once you click on share, you can copy and copy the link. So once you copy the link, you'll be able to import to Clipboard, and then we just come back to our website, which is tabbytalks.com. So you come and paste, copy and paste your link. So once you copy and paste your link, you'll be able that you can fetch. So once you fetch, you give it just a second. So once you fetch, just click fetch. It will give you all the details about this video. They'll give you the description, it's the description, they'll give you the title, they'll give you the, the tags, everything will be in it. So after that, when you're done with that, you just click on publish. So once you publish, in just a second, your video will be ready to be viewed. So this is my video. I've just got it from YouTube, and it's here play. So that's how best we can import our videos. That's how best we can import our videos directly from any social media platform. It may be YouTube, it may be Facebook, it may be Instagram, it may be TikTok, it may be whatever social media platform. So I want to thank you so much. Basically, once I come to my homepage, and then I come to research videos, you can see my video is already for view and still to be taken to a category which is technology. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I beg to stop here, and I want to encourage you to use our website, which is tabbytalks.com. Go there, have fun, go and enjoy the lessons from our wonderful and suspension teachers from Uganda. Thank you. I stop. Thank you. Remember to subscribe to our channel, that is Go Use Tech, where we bring you different technologies from different countries. And remember also to subscribe to Tabby Talks, our YouTube channel, and you can also create an account with our website. Thank you. See you soon.